Unlocking the full potential of Gmail. 5 must-know tips and tricks. Welcome to Unlocking the Full Potential of Gmail. 5 must-know tips and tricks. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, these tips will help you maximize the benefits of Gmail. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Organize your inbox. Use labels and filters to categorize and prioritize your emails. By creating specific folders, you can easily find important messages and keep your inbox clutter-free. Tip number 2. Take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. Instead of wasting time with your mouse, try using Gmail shortcuts to speed up your email workflow. With just a few keystrokes, you can compose, reply, archive, or even delete messages. Tip number 3. Enable offline mode. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can access your Gmail even when you're not connected to the internet. Simply enable offline mode in your settings, and you'll be able to read, compose, and search for emails offline. Tip number 4. Utilize Google Tasks and Google Keep. With these integrated tools, you can turn your inbox into a powerful productivity hub. Create to-do lists, set reminders, and seamlessly integrate them into your workflow. Tip number 5. Supercharge your email searches. Gmail's search feature is more than just a search bar. Use advanced operators and filters to locate specific emails, attachments, or even search within a certain time frame. And that's it. By following these 5 tips, you can unlock the full potential of Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. And hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. At One Belief, we are passionate about empowering businesses like yours with IT solutions tailored to your needs. If you want to supercharge your productivity beyond Gmail, our team of experts is here to assist you. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.